In front of me is Infinix Hot 60i, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off app notifications. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on this section called Notifications and Status Bar. Then scroll again, and this time click on Sort By at the top of this section with all of your apps. This way you can see your apps sorted by time of received notifications, frequency of them, apps with notifications already enabled, and those without enabled notifications. Whatever you decided, when you're ready, sort your apps, and then click on green switches next to ones from which you want to block notifications. You can also click on gray switches to switch them back on. Quick tip most people miss that you can always click on any app available on the left, and this way not only enable or disable app notifications, but also get access to all of those alerts options of your chosen app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!